Good morning, it's day 3 and it's the final day ng aming bakasyon. Agenda natin ngayon ay makapag-ikot sa town, matikman yung La Paz Batchoy, yung Madge Cafe, at makapag-ikot-ikot pa before coming back to Manila. So yan, tara, let's go! So if you're in Iloilo, there's only one correct way to start your day. And that is having your La Paz Batchoy sa suking tindahan ni ate at kuya. Okay, dito na tayo sa Central Public Market. Ayan, dito tayo. Dito tayo titigam ng La Paz. So we headed straight to Popoy's La Paz Batchoy. They're known here as one of the true master of La Paz Batchoy. And what I love, walang kaarte-arte. Ma'am, tantaw ba kayo yung champion sa La Paz?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir po.
Wow!
Okay, 180.
Wow. And the moment that steaming bowl landed in front of me, you could already smell it. The richness of pork broth. That unmistakable aroma. First sip, boom! Nanam-nam sa baw. It is savory, malasa in the best way, not overpowering, just perfectly balanced. Ito, ang terra ng La Paz.
Pero kainin mo ito na ba ito? Masarap to. Mabaho na ako dito. Pero masarap. Ay,
This is not just comfort food. This is pride in a bowl. You can feel that the recipe wasn't rushed. It was perfected, refined, and defended. There's something powerful about eating something that's considered the best in its own hometown. And you're not just tasting ingredients, you're tasting legacy. But we didn't stop there. We went full Ilonggo breakfast and lunch mode. We ordered their labong, the bamboo shoot dish. It's very simple and packed with flavors. The adobo, you can say it's classic. It's done right, tender, salty, and savory. The labanos salad is very, very refreshing. And lastly, the gisang dilis, it's small but powerful. Maalat, punchy, but it's perfect with rice. Anyway, ang sarap ng lapas nila dito. Ibang-iba din naman sa mga nabibili mo sa SM. Talagang original. Sabaw pa lang, talagang matindi pagpapakulo para ma-reach natin yung malinamnam na sabaw. Kaya tara, subukan nyo rin to. Kakain muna ako. Let's go!
ang tatak pa ng breakfast namin is
All na. All good. Hindi complete experience mo dito sa Iloilo pag di ka tumikim na ito. Kaya isama na ito sa bucket list nyo. Lupin na natin to, siyempre. Solve. Alright guys, so tapos na tayo kumain. Super busog at ubos na ang lapas. Sila din, busog na ang ating friends. Pero meron pa na isang challenge bago umalis. Kundi, we're on our way to Madge Cafe. Whoa! Alright. So, dito kasi medyo Starbucks na yung style niya. Pero gusto natin subukan yung pinaka first branch nila eh. So, pupunta tayo sa La Paz para masubukan natin yung talagang old style of coffee preparation nila dito sa Iloilo. So tara, lakad muna tayo. Ayan oh. Ganda ng araw dito ngayon. Mainit. Tayo tayo ng jeep. Kuya sa La Paz. Ito na ang Pauta La Paz. Let's go. Harap. Alright. Kaya sa La Paz to. Thank you. Sige. So we made it here to the La Paz Public Market para subukan ang pinaka-OG ng lahat ng cafe sa Iloilo, which is the Madge Cafe.
Ayun na, Madge Cafe.
So Madge Cafe has been around for generation. It's small, humble, no aesthetic interior. But what it has is history. We were lucky enough to meet the third generation owner from the De La Cruz family. And that's when it clicked for me. This isn't just coffee shop. This is legacy.
Kayo po ba yung owner?
Third generation.
Third generation owner. And your name, sir, is?
Peter.
Sir
No,
Peter.
they call me Nono. Yeah.
Nonoy.
Yes. And you were?
Alan. Ano last name niya, sir?
De La Cruz.
De La Cruz. Ang mga De La Cruz pala, Ilong.
Yes, sir.
Oh, nice.
Sabi na.
Ang galing po. Ang sarap ng kape niya, sir. Babalik po kami ulit dito sa next visit.
Ingat kayo. I hope you enjoyed Iloilo.
Yes.
Ilang days kayo dito?
4 na araw.
For days, nagiging guest man.
Ano po? Gimaran.
Cameras na. Thank you for your time. Drop by, Max.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome po kayo dito, ha? Drop by. Iloilo, taste the Ilonggo coffee. Pure Ilonggo coffee.
Thank you.
After a quick chat with the owner, I really wanted to see how that tradition actually lives on. Not in words, but in process. No machine, no complicated equipment, just technique that has been repeated thousands of times. Manong moves with his quiet confidence, parang muscle memory na. He pours the hot water slowly over the grounds, let it bloom, waits patiently, walang minamadali. And you can say that this isn't just coffee making. It looks ritual. So guys, dito tayo ngayon sa Madge Cafe. So, dito siya ngayon sa second floor sa La Paz. And as you can see, ayan, they're still able to keep their old tradition of making coffee. Yung pagsasala, yung pinakita natin kanina. Ayan, so if you're going to Iloilo, this is one of the... Yung puro na, yung strong black hot coffee.
Strong black na walang milk.
Walang milk, walang sugar din.
Okay.
Ayan, thank you.
Sayang yung view.
Dito tayo sa La Paz. Yung food trip pala natin, last day natin ginawa, no? Asyang-asya pa naman pala sa 3 araw. Here's our coffee. Oh, Madge coffee.
Cheers!
Cheers!
O, diba? Sabi sa'yo, iba yung namin Nestle. Cheers!
Cheers! Baka ko lang may hot drink dito. Ayun, sige. Ito na ating
Okay to.
coffee
Akin
from
yan.
Madge.
Yan yung sa'yo.
Para lang nasa bahay, oh. Pero masarap yung kape.
Si Mela, dalawa na kayo dyan.
Extra strong. Legit na strong. FYI, ang coffee beans nila dito is Robusta daw, sabi ni Sir. Homegrown dito sa Iloilo. Ayan. So, okay, andito ang mga ga sa My Madge Cafe. Well, Lloyd, ano masabi mo sa kape mo?
Strongest. Nag-strong ako pa siya.
Matapang? Matapang yung ano, mix.
5 minutes na kasi.
Ano pwede?
Bibili ulit.
Join my coffee. Yun. Alright, tayo ay nakatikim na ng lapas na masarap. Natikman na rin natin ang Madge Coffee. Nag-take out pa tayo dahil napakasarap din talaga ng kape nila. Super strong. And ngayon, saan tayo next, Lloyd? Pupunta tayo sa Marikit. Marikit sa May Haro. Ayan, so super init ngayon pero okay lang at least dinaulan. Ang ganda pa naman. So dito na tayo sa May Haro Plaza. Pero ang ganda ng view dito, yung church. Church and plaza nila. Mamaya punta natin yan.
So from La Paz, we headed to Haro. We stopped at Haro Plaza, and I didn't expect it to be this peaceful. It's wide, it's clean, it's quiet. Then you look up to see the Haro Cathedral standing there, elegant and timeless. us.
Sa araw, itong main church niya. Entra Señora de Candelaria. Ayan siya. Punta natin. Ang laki oh.
Then our next stop is Casa Mariquit. And this is where Iloilo really surprised me.
Guys, andito tayo ngayon sa isang tourist spot sa Haro, Iloilo. Itutour tayo ni Kuya. Meron tayong mga malalaman about sa Haro and history ng Iloilo. Ito si Kuya, ang ating tour guide for today. Kaya Kuya,
Asintan.
ang kanyang asintan, si Lloydski. Kaya Kuya, tara, let's go!
Tara kaya.
Ah, welcome. Walking inside felt like stepping into another era. The wooden floor creaks. The antique furniture isn't staged. It lived history. You see old photographs, handwritten letters, preserved rooms. It reminds you that Iloilo played a huge role in Philippine history. Punta tayo sa sala.
Ito po ang itsura ni Imelda. Yung buhok, yung damit ni Marikit. Si Imelda noon.
Ano?
Nilangkin na lang po yung sir na.
And guys, dito natatapos yung ating tour sa bahay ni Don Fernando Lopez. Dami nating natutunan about the history ng lugar na to, itong bahay na to, at ang lugar ng Haro, Iloilo. Thank you kay Kuya Tour Guide natin. Pangalan niya Kuya? Jan, for giving us the details and history of this place. Dami natin natutunan. Pag pumunta kayo, hanapin niyo si Sir Jan. Itutour niya rin kayo para malaman niyo ang lugar na to. Okay, after natin mag-tour sa bahay ni Miss Marikit, dito naman tayo ngayon sa plaza ulit. Sa town, bumili na tayo ng pasalubong kasi uwi na tayo mamaya. Tayo nakapamili. Mercy. Napoleones. Iba-iba pang pasalubong. Dito tayo sa Elson's bibili ng pasalubong natin, patajong. Ito na. Uwi na. Enabi. Patajong, check. Punta na tayo ng Bizcocho House. And lakad ka lang diretso doon sa Calle Real. Ito yung mga pasalubong natin. Bizcocho. Right. So bago tayo pumunta doon sa Central Market, bili muna tayo ng mais. Tikman natin yung inihaw na mais. So kasi masarap yan. Guys, meron tayo inihaw na mais dito. Ako lang. Masarap na merienda sa hapon. What's up guys? Pete. Oh, pagod ka na. Right, we're here in SME City, Iloilo. Kat tayo sa overpass. Pahinga muna tayo.
Mamaya uwi na. One of the best parts of the day happened off camera. We had dinner at Tito George's house, and to be honest, hindi ako nakakuha ng maraming videos because I just wanted to enjoy the moment. Sam's family welcomed us like we were their own. Grabe, spoiled na spoiled kami sa mga masasarap na luto. At salamat po sa mga masasayang kwentong ibinahagi niyo sa amin. And we're hoping to see you guys again. Mag-ingat po kayo palagi. And just like that, it was time to say goodbye. They didn't just host us, they didn't just feed us, they took care of us. And that's something you don't forget. Iloilo, thank you for the food, thank you for the history, thank you for the warmth, but most of all, salamat gid sa pag-alaga sa amon. Special shoutout din po kay Tita Jonabel for allowing us to stay in her home for free. And also kay Kuya Noy sa walang sawang pag-aasikaso ng almusal namin at pakikipagkwentuhan sa amin. We really hope to see you guys again. Hindi lang kami nagbakasyon dito. We felt welcome, we felt home. Until next time, Iloilo, babalik ulit kami.